Lamarr was here back for another video where I unbox stuff, especially related to gaming. This is gonna be a really short video. Back in December, I did a haul video and I showed that this lady named Amanda Ruth Art, she found me at a TwitchCon and she's like, she made this for me. She painted this hours for me and gave this to me free, and I was so indebted. I follow her on Instagram and I found out she does art on Twitch. She like her boyfriend or husband, I don't know which one. So sorry, boyfriend or husband, don't read that in the back because it doesn't mean what you think. Anyway, he plays the game, she paints, and I was just like, she did one that was like, it blew me away. I was like, can I buy it? And she's like, "Buddy, crazy." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm crazy." Well, I spent 10 hours on it. I don't know. I've never sold. How is $100? I'm like, that's a good deal. You know, I would have paid a lot more. Don't tell her that. Let me just open it and then we'll come back. Okay, so it is packed really well. Now we're down to the bubble wrap. Okay, here we are for the big reveal. I'm gonna get a reaction first and then I'll share with you. Yes! It is exactly like a... Guys, are you ready for this? Hey, let me lower this table down so you can just see the whole thing. Let's get table, come on down. Table, all around. Well, you got really low. You almost see my underwear. All right, ready? This is from Super Mario Odyssey. It's beautiful. There it is, guys. That's the skyline, and that's Mario just chilling with a chicken pigeon on him. It is like epic. Look at that. Look at it. I'm in love with this piece. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in the house yet. Isn't this epic? I'm gonna put her Etsy link below. This is obviously not sponsored. She's an independent person I just want to help. I like helping people. So she has an Etsy where she has these. You can still buy this, but as a print where you can make a poster out of it or cards or whatever. I'll put a link to that below so you can check out her whole Etsy store. I am new to Etsy. I did not even know Etsy existed till I found her. I went crazy on Etsy, so there'll be some new videos coming soon. I bought like $200 worth of stuff on Etsy last night. Not from her store, but from others. She gonna get some more business from me because there's some other paintings she has that I want. Amanda, thank you. Well, I mean, I paid for it, but still thank you. This is beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to thumb up if you enjoyed the video. Amanda, love you. You're the greatest. Seriously, and you're so talented. Man, I'll put your links everywhere. Man, if y'all don't go check out her, and I'm gonna put your Twitch link. I will find everything that I can. It'll be below. So talk to y'all later. Bye.